Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create an overlapping bar chart in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, select your data. Example, go to Insert tab, Chart and Setup, Chart Type and Combo Chart. See this combo chart. Click here. Go to Customize tab, Series and see this Apply to all series. Click drop down menu, select Product B and line type, select column. Okay, and change line color, line opacity and axis. Do not use right axis, use simply left. Okay, then fill opacity, choose your fill opacity 50%, 70% or 100% as your wish. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.